All right, now we gonna cover one interesting topic and one of the most important concept, that is multi-factor authentication, known as MFA. Imagine withdrawing money from an ATM. You need both your card and your PIN to prove it's really you. In Microsoft Security, MFA works the same way by requiring two or more verification methods, such as password plus a phone code or fingerprint. This extra layer makes it much harder for attackers to break in. Even if they steal one credential, by using MFA, organizations strengthen account security and protect sensitive application and data from unauthorized access. Let's meet in our next lecture.